Hey everybody, hi. So today I am walking on my Prius. I got a hitch. So I just took off the tow bracket where people hook things and tow backwards with. Tools are over there. It needed a 17 millimeter and I didn't take off the plastic cover here. It went up in here. So what I'm going to do is see if it'll go up in here without having to remove this plastic or cut the hole bigger. And I still have to lower the exhaust at those two bolts. Why is it going dark? I have no idea. I remove those two bolts so I can put the hitch in there. Yeah. Sorry, I don't do car videos, but I really wanted to show you a Prius getting a hitch. Okay, so it does fit in the factory hole. You just have to kind of wedge it in there and push, but it does fit. So I just have to lower the exhaust now and woo! Okay, so my one recommendation is, since we know that fits in there, don't put it in there until you're ready, because I had to just lay on this to take out my bolts. And yeah, that was a pain in the ass because I couldn't get it back out of the hole. So don't put it in the hole until you're ready to put it up here. All right, time to mount. Okay, so here is my mounting hardware. It calls for a 19 millimeter, but I do not have a 19 millimeter. I do have a 3/4 inch though. There you go, 3/4 inch, and it is same size. It no wibble wobble, so it's good enough for me. So now I am going to mount it. Whoa, Prius with a hitch. Okay, so I got one bolt in here. I recommend not dropping the bolt because it gets lost in the plastic. And yeah, that was a pain in the ass to get out. So now it's time to put a bolt in here. Okay, so I got one bolt in. The one thing I did notice about the hanger plate is you need to swivel it forward some to make it line up easier with the mounting holes. But now I just got to throw 2 more screws, bolts, in it, and I'm done. The Prius now has a 1 1/4 inch tow hitch. Says capable of like 2,000 or 3,000 pounds. I'm using it for bikes and maybe a light trailer. Woo! And there we go. I now have a tow hitch that says it's rated for 2,000 pounds. Come on, focus. Focus. There you go. So, cool. Prius has a hitch.